This is the only one that is evidence-based. All the other things that I talk about, that's emerging science, that's more anecdotal data, that's like in progress. But this minoxidil 5%, this has so much study and research and papers that shows that this thing works. So I use minoxidil 5%. Now this is marketed for men, but it's safe for women as well. But again, please consult your dermatologist before you use that. I use that on a daily basis every night. I shake that and I just squeeze a little blob in an area where I see thinning, right? And then I go in and I give myself a really good massage right there in that spot. So you make sure that, you are just getting really good into the scalp area. So forget about the strand. Don't worry about the strand. This is not going to do anything to the strand. It needs to get in touch with your scalp, and that's where it's going to increase the blood circulation. And once the blood circulation is increased, all the nutrients will go to your follicle, and then hopefully your follicle will come back to life. So after I'm done with this spot, what I do, I take a spoolie, I squirt a little bit onto my spoolie, and I just brush that on both of my eyebrows. Now, sometimes if I cannot find a spoolie, I've also taken a small, like a blob on my finger. But the trick is, as soon as you put on your fingers, it will start melting the foam. So you have to be very quick. So you take that on both fingers and you just go ahead and apply. It's fairly easy. You'll get used to it, and it works. But it only works until you're using it. As soon as you stop using it, your hair will go to its baseline. So one thing I want to mention about minoxidil is that it comes in different forms. You can choose to take it orally. It's very hassle-free. The only side effect will be that you will see hair growth in places you don't want to see hair growth. Whereas for the foam, it's like a more local application. But if you're a pet owner, you have to be very careful because minoxidil is very toxic to pets. So make sure that when you are done applying, you wash your hand thoroughly. And if you're sleeping on your pillow, make sure you remove that pillow in the morning. So especially if you're a cat or dog, they're used to sleeping on your bed because this is very, very dangerous for them.